title of the invention is that in a smart changeover switch integrated with diesel generator monitoring and control system. So here is the problem statement. There is still a challenge to maintain and monitor diesel generator areas where internet connectivity is not 24 by 7. Please, sorry for the mistake. I have already mentioned 42 by 7. It is not that. It is 24 by 7. There is a no low cost solution for maintaining and monitoring the generator wirelessly without a GSM subscription. To prevent the diesel theft, to prevent asset theft, enabling easy monitoring for physical challenged person, to perform preventive maintenance, to ensure the safe and secure operation of diesel and petrol generator, to control the carbon emission, to enable smart management and monitoring of diesel petrol generator. This is the problem identification. The problem has been identified through the public talk, problem identification based on the market research, problem identification based on the technical research, problem identification through personal experience and perception, problem identification through one-to-one dialogue with caretakers who are maintaining the diesel generator like that assets in the premises like factory, hospital, post office, problem identification with the help of organizational feedback by getting some kind of feedback from the institute, warehouse, minor small work group of the factories, how it is being addressed today. In present scenario, many multinational company are making such type of commercial level, are targeting only the commercial level audience. The cost of the system is very high due to mandatory cloud integration. Almost the product require 24 by 7 internet connectivity to monitor the diesel generators parameter like current, voltage, temperature, etc. The companies are not focusing on small scale industries organization with the capacity of 2 or 3 or some small hospital, post office in the semi-urban, semi-rural areas and rural areas where the internet connectivity is a challenge. The companies are not focusing operation of monitoring system in the area where the internet is not always available. Few Indian companies are addressing the problem with the help of GSM technology, which increases the cost of the system. Solution: the smart changeover with diesel integrated monitoring has been proposed with two variants, internet based and without internet. Low cost RF enabled geofencing, diesel theft monitoring, remote start auto manual operation, carbon emission monitoring and controlling, diesel consumption monitoring, kWh kilowatt hour calculation, service reminder, etc. And accordingly we can add on plus and minus feature with the different kind of variant at the time of manufacturing, at the time of development. Cost benefit, actually the cost benefit analysis has not been performed yet because it is under prototyping under lab, so not performed due to in development phase, but expect 20 to 30% profit and 60% less cost than existing commercial system. Current technology readiness level is 100%. IPR status published. Step to be taken by me: design and development and testing of the product. Market potential: defined target customer for each use case, B2B and B2C. Total addressable market pan India. Channel for commercialization: direct sale, distributed and generator manufacturer. Scale of feasibility: 100%. Constant time to TRL: 100% ready. Fund required for design, development and testing: 100%. Equipment: diesel set, sensor, microcontroller, electronic component, cloud server, etc. Manpower: hardware engineer, software engineer, PCB designer, hardware manufacturer, etc. Expectation from the industry: transfer of technology, yes, I am agree for that. Joint research, not, because I am working as a permanent faculty as in Central University. So I would like to go for a transfer of technology, and partnership formula will also work there. This is a functional block diagram. In this particular block diagram, we can say easily we are collecting different kind of parameter of a generator, and we are collecting through the different kind of sensor, and with the help of that we are sending our parameter without any wire connectivity. That is the ISM WAN 2.4 gigahertz wireless communication. It is free of cost in most of all entire world. through which I am sending our parameter like smoke monitoring, diesel, petrol level monitoring, RPM monitoring, voltage current monitoring, leakage detection. Changeover switch, the main reason to include the word changeover is that we just want to make the utilization of our conventional changeover in a very effective manner. So there's a two kind of things we can accumulate in the conventional channel. First of all, we will, with the help of conventional parameter principle of the changeover is that we can transfer our load to main as well as to the generator in absence of main light. And with the help of that, we can also integrate our monitoring and control system. In the control system, we can say remotely we can start. So first, what we are doing, first of all, we are collecting different kind of parameter here and transferring to the local receiver that is known as the controller. You have already seen different kind of controllers such as submersible controller. Submersible controller, even though voltage and current monitor panel inside your premises, inside your organization, inside your factory or home. So it is a such kind of controller I have designed. Suppose that you have already frequently heard about complaint manager is saying, oh, before 2 days back you have already collected the diesel and you have already put the diesel in the generator, and how much the consumption has been carried out and how it is remaining. So it's still a lot of problem, and again restart, again start and restart. We don't know how much the percentage of the current, how much the unit of the generator has been produced. We are caring about the manual start operation, we are caring about the schedule maintenance and monitoring regarding that. So with the incorporation of in the machine learning and other deep learning, we are able to do predictive maintenance as well as preventive maintenance. So firstly, we are
Siddiqui
transferring
ji,
our data to local
hello.
server.
Sorry, Siddiqui ji, to interrupt. We are over 6 minutes now, and additional
Okay.
2 minutes
So
are just
so
for
this is
question
a,
and answers.
yeah, yeah. From yes, okay, sir. Just 1 minute. I just want to take from you. I firstly the thing is that our product is working two variant. First is with machine learning and without machine learning. The thing is that first of all we are transferring our data to local controller, and without internet connectivity we are able to monitor our all diesel parameter as well as controlling of the diesel without internet connectivity. If there is a further analysis and further requirement, we are integrating our cloud. This is the proposed product design which has already been filed in the patent. Thank you.